Hello guys!
Hello guys!
Welcome back to our channel. This is barbecue number 2. And behind me is our barbecue. We're just waiting for the rest of the people, our friends who has not arrived yet. Because they sent us to recon for barbecue place. It's full everywhere, but we were lucky to find one. So we prepared it. Somebody was before us, so we just keep the fire alive. And here we are in the... I don't remember the name of this lake, but it's bigger than the one last time. And we have a little, what's called pier, bridge pier. Not for boat, but this is a big lake. I don't know how deep it is, actually, but here you go. You can go out here, you can fish from here. You have to pay to be allowed to fish here. You have to pay for it. And then here you can climb up. After jumping in the water you can climb up here, but I don't know how deep it is. That's the thing. Oh, somebody's already been here taking a winter bath. Oh, that's cold. That's why it's broken. Somebody dipped themselves here. Doesn't look so thick. The ice actually look pretty thick. It does. The shock is here. I think somebody took a winter dip there. It's broken ice where you go down in the water. Uy, uy, uy. Uy, uy, uy. Malubot is cool. Uy.
For now, you're the only guy.
No, I have Bobby and Chris.
You're the sexy guy here.
Here.
I can fix that, don't worry.
So,
Here is our grill.
There, that's enough. Now it's nice. But
oh, ganina rawi pabot.
You have any fluid tonight, please?
No, di man lagi mo ning agi.
Aman, it's in the bag there.
So this time we're
Yeah,
meeting
because it's
again
just
and
blowing,
having a
nothing.
barbecue with friends.
We don't have it?
I have in the car.
Yeah, we need to have it.
What is it?
What?
What is it?
Fluid.
Ah.
Fluid. I also have gas in my car, in the tank.
Nindot bitaw ay. Duta kao no? Alayo kayo tugnaw.
We do like this. We put this
Diri
on
lang,
for
kuan.
heating.
And we have here a little bridge. London Bridge. London Bridge is falling down. Here, Mahan. We have a little one here, aray. A little old bridge. Look. Mahan, that's a little bridge over there.
Yeah, look.
But I don't know, it's a...
It holds. I saw a person bigger than you go on it before.
No, it's not a... Oh yeah, it's a little bridge. Whoa. Oh, there is so nice. And here's the water. Guys, ang probinsyana sa Sweden. Ayan. So ganito yung ano sa probinsya, 'di ba? Magpurong. So ganito ako, guys. So walang arty-arty. Basta mapula lang yung labi ko, okay na. Ayan. So nandun yung maliit na tulay, the little bridge over here. I didn't know that meron pala sila. So, may ganun. Yan, oh. Oh. Nice. Sa mga gustong maligo, punta lang kayo dito, maligo kayo. Libre na. Tapos, kung gusto nyo mag-fishing, pwede ata fishing dito. Tapos, meron din isang, medyo malaki naman. Medyo malaking bridge. Yan. Punta tayo doon, guys. Ang hirap, sariling sikap ko na lang po. Yan. Ayan. Tuyok tayo, tuyok. Tuyok tayo, guys, tuyok. Ayan. Ayan yung ano. Ayan, puso. And dito sa likod ko, ayan yung maliit na lake. Yan. Na nag-yellow pa sa nag-yellow pa siya. So, kung gusto nyong mamasyal dun sa kabila, shortcut na lang kayo dito. Ayan. Parang ano pa yan, nag-yellow pa. So, punta tayo doon sa kasama namin na nag-barbecue. Yan. Alam nyo guys, yung ugali ng Pilipino ay dinala dito sa Sweden. Yung manyana habit. Ayan. Yan ang mga late, oh. Late, dumating. Mga manyana habit.
Oh, hindi kami late.
Oh, ayan. Oo. Pa-music pa sila. Ayan. At dito din yung aso namin. Ayan. Hey! Aso namin na parang baboy. Oh, punta dito tayo sa ano. Ayan. Yan guys. Ang ganda dito. Super ganda. Ayan. Very nice. Pero itong lugar na to, hindi ito the same place sa pinuntahan namin nung nag-grill kami. Ibang place to sa kabilang, ano naman siya, kabilang dayo. Ano ba yun? Kasi dito tayo, magpasunsyo tayo dito. Puntahan natin dito. Yan. Ang contestant number 1. Sasa Anderson. From, sa kanay?
From Cagayan de Oro City! The city of the golden friendship! Hi everyone, I'm Dressa Marie Tomata Anderson from Cagayan de Oro City! The city of the golden friendship! Mwah! That time.
Look guys, I am Kirsty from Sweden. I'm the next runner-up in this pageant show. So let's get it all started, boys. Let's go. A little show for you guys. And then imagine the water comes on me here. And it's, I'm a maniac, man. I am the Swedish pageant runner. So better run. Bye bye. Hello guys, welcome to Quacken's Barbecue Corner. Today we are going to barbecue some yummy sweet rice and water. Yes, and how do you barbecue water, you may ask? Yes, first you need to freeze. Make it cold, so it will stay on the barbecue, otherwise it's pointless to barbecuing it, because it will just fall through and put out the water, of course, and put out the fire. So, let's show here. So, today we have already prepared everything. We have some nice, this is actually ice with flavors. We have some rocks here, little grass, and some dirt. It could be taste of maybe the rocks here on the mountain. And here we have a little bird poo, so that will be really yummy. So, and now it's time to turn it over. Watch out, it's super cold. You should use mittens. Exactly. So, and this one looks like a steak, so it's almost yummy. And then, when it has melted through, and disappeared, it's ready to eat. This was Quacken's Barbecue Corner. See you next time. Bye bye.